Good morning. We're headed out to go move some brush piles and just put them together. See you in the field. Morning, Bill.
Trav, how are you?
Oh, doing pretty well. About yourself?
Living the dream.
Yeah, I heard it. Did you get any word on where we're dumping that stuff?
It'll be over tonight.
I heard it. So dry. Ugh. Poor air filter on this thing's gonna probably need blowed out tonight, I'm guessing. Buggy's gonna sit right there. I gotta let the open it so loader can come through, run the truck. We can't just leave the gate open because the cows are right here. So, yeah. And here comes the loader. Oh, power's not on, that's right. Okay, let's try it now. Yep. Backup alarm's working. Okey-dokey. Wiper works. Good deal. It's gonna be a good day today. Let's get to work. Cows should stay out of our way today, hopefully. And it should just be a productive day. Guys that have been around a little while know how this works. Take it down here with the haul truck we did last time, dump it at the pile. Ooh, that sun's a killer. Be nice to put the thing in second gear, but the pasture's too darn rough for that, so we'll just keep it in first gear. Can't really see anything. I have to wait till the sun goes away. Ouch. Sun needs to go up a little bit higher. Making too much of a glare. Take it from over here, you can see in the mirror kind of where we're working. Go up around the fence all the way over out back where we were dumping before. Not really too rough in here. I can get away with second gear, but that is it. Don't need to be tearing the truck up. Too expensive to fix stuff. And yeah, cows are out enjoying the day. That's all that matters, is that they're happy. Happy cows produce quality beef. Getting a little bit accumulated here. Let it loose here, bring the dozer over, and push it up in a pile tomorrow. On to the second brush pile. Getting it all cleaned up here so that way we can mow easier and just keep the cycle going. Cows are right in my road. It's alright. Go around them. I think they're trying to get away from the sun. Easy. Uh-oh. I think we got a problem. Huh. I think we're stuck. It's okay. Put the bed down a little bit. Get the weight on tires again. Pull ahead. Then you can let the bed down just like a such. Take it easy so you don't run over any cows. I don't know what their problem is, but I don't know. Doing cow things. Loading me off the passenger side, backing down here. It's the only way you can get it, so you don't travel so far with the loader. Stuff gets kind of gnarly. Wasn't gonna put the camera up there and watch it. You can watch it dump the load out, but I don't think it's gonna happen today. Yeah, I'm really not putting the camera up there. Jeez, this stuff's a little lengthy. Did somebody say they needed a whole tree removed? Got the dozer over here and a loader. It just makes easier work. Use the dozer to push the piles up, and then just use the loader to load me, and I will take it to the piles and get rid of it. Why have equipment with cabs? In case you were to hit a bee's nest or something, and then that way you don't get stung. That wouldn't be very favorable. Teamwork. Push it right in the bucket. Yeah, it's like I said, probably a good thing I don't set the camera up there. That could be bad.
I have a truck and trailer, 410 of topsoil, please. All right.
Just about caught that stack. Just about caught it, ripped it off. we've got a little bit of downtime right now. We're broke. Piece of wood hit a cylinder bracket for some hoses. I gotta put this camera down before I get myself electrocuted. Let's go back to work. Jump back in the machine. Put the buggy right here. Shore and park. Get back to it. That's like really close to back of cab. Oh well, it happens. You surely push a lot with a loader and dozer. But then again, brush don't have no weight to it, so it's not like you're pushing dirt with a loader where you're really working it. Dang, this really looks different. So we're done. Job well done. Park the machine up here and take the buggy up and go start evening afternoon chores. I think there's a couple tail lights that may have gotten broken, but we will assess the situation here in a moment. Oh, glad I'm done bouncing my brains out. Oops. Ah, darn it. Darn trees, branches, sticks, brush. Job well done here. Looks so much nicer. Really looks a whole lot nicer. Getting them piles all put together. Thank God I'm not following the dozer in an open station gator without a cab, because that would just drive me insane listening to that.